guys, it's Alice. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, we are going to do another tutorial. And a lot of you asked me kung paano ko i-edit yung song covers ko. Kasi napansin nila na medyo parang naka-microphone yung voice ko. And yung ginagamit ko lang naman is yung microphone ng earphones. So I will show you how by using just your phone and an application. However, there are cons in this tutorial kasi I'm sorry for the Android users pero this is only for iOS users. Di bale gagawa ulit ako ng ganitong tutorial pero I will search for application sa Android na same lang sa ipapakita kong application sa video na to. So before we proceed to the video, I'm just going to advertise yung business ng friends ko. Please support their business. Ang binibenta nila doon is lip tints. So if ever man you want long-lasting lip tints and high-quality products, please order kayo sa kanila. And ongoing yung promo nila, kaya mas makakamura ka. So I'm going to show you what I got sa shop nila. So I got this lip tints, gel lip tints siya. I'm going to do some swatches. Actually, may swatches na ako kasi tinest ko muna kung ano yung maganda sa look ko ngayon. So, these are the 3 swatches sa shades na meron sa kanila. This is Esme, this is Rina, and this is Celeste. So, yung ginamit ko ngayon is si Esme kasi very vibrant lang yung color niya and nakaka-flatter lang talaga yung mga colors na meron sa kanila or yung mga shades na meron sa kanila. Since gel-based kasi yung tints nila, pwede mo siyang gamitin sa cheeks and sa eyelids. I will link their shop or their Facebook page and Instagram sa description box. Actually, this is not sponsored ha. Okay, so that is all for the advertisement. So yun, so if you're still interested, please keep on watching.
Okay, so yung app na tinutukoy ko is itong Garageband. So if you're an iOS user, kadalasan meron na tong application na to sa home screen. And if ever man nawala, pwede nyo siyang i-install sa App Store for free. So open natin yung Garageband. After opening that, ito yung makikita nyo. And as you can see, ang dami ko ng projects na ginagawa. So to start recording, just click Create Song. And ang maganda kasi dito, pwede kayong pumili ng instrument or kung ano man yung i-record nyo, pwede nyong piliin. Like for example, magpa-plug in kayo ng amplifier, ng microphone, ng drums, keyboard, mga ganyan, guitar, bass, strings. So for startups, I'm going to show you how to record your vocals using this one, audio recorder. So click lang natin yung voice. And this will be your studio. So what I usually do is papatayin ko tong metronome, this one. And ito kasi hanggang dyan lang, hanggang 8 lang or 9 something. So gusto natin unlimited yung pag-record natin. So click ko tong add button and choose this, then click automatic. So automatic na yan. Next naman, click natin tong parang box na to na may maraming squares. So dito kayo mag-i-edit, like if may unwanted parts kayo, dito nyo i-cut, i-split, i-delete, mga ganon. And dito nyo din makikita yung layers ng audio nyo. Kulang na lang tayo ng instruments. So, dadagdagan natin ng instrumental and i-click lang natin tong plus sign ulit here. So, click instrument. And yun. So, kung ipa-plug nyo yung guitar nyo or yung piano nyo, you can do that. But right now is I'm going to teach you how you can import your instrumentals from YouTube. Kasi ida-download nyo yung instrumentals na yun. Tapos ilalagay nyo siya dito. So, since na-download na yung sa akin, I'm just gonna show you how to import it here. So, click lang natin tong parang loop na icon sa taas. And click Files. Tapos, if wala pa dito yung instrumental mo, you can always choose Browse Items. Tapos, hanapin nyo na lang sa folders nyo yung song nyo. So, yeah. Since nandito na yung sa akin, we're just gonna choose the song. So, yung pinili kong kanta is yung kanta ni Dua Lipa. And just drag and drop para mapunta nyo siya dyan. So, ayan. Meron na yung instrumentals natin. Yan. Okay, to start your recording, since naka-import na yung instrumental natin, and naka-plug na kasi yung earphones ko, ang mangyayari ngayon is i-edit natin tong controls na to para kung ano yung gusto yung sound ng vocals nyo, yun yung maririnig nyo din. Pero you can edit or you can control this naman kahit na naka-record na yung audio, and if ever may mga changes pa kayo, you can adjust pa rin. And paparinig ko sa inyo kung ano yung naririnig ko ngayon sa earphones ko. So, i-click lang natin tong dito sa may monitor. So, yan. Naka-on na siya. And take note, microphone lang sa earphones yung gamit ko dito. Ayan. So, if okay na kayo sa sound ng vocals nyo, you can proceed na sabayan yung instrumental nyo. Okay, so I've recorded na yung vocals ko and i-edit muna natin yung sound. So, if ever man na gusto nyo pang mas mukhang nasa studio ka, just click this settings icon, track controls, and then pwede nyo siyang i-edit dito. So, pakinggan natin habang ine-edit. If you don't wanna see me, did a full 180, crazy, thinking about the way I was. Did the heartbreak change me? Maybe, but look at where I ended up. I'm all good already, so moved on, it's scary. I'm not where you left me at all. So, if you don't wanna see me dancing with somebody, if you wanna believe that anything could stop me, don't show up, don't come out, don't start caring about me now. Walk away, you know how. Don't start caring about me now. Aren't you the guy who tried to hurt me with the word goodbye, though it took some time to. Okay, so nag-e-enjoy na kayong marinig yan. Dapat ibang cover yan. Anyways, that is for the vocals and for the instrumental. So, pag na-edit nyo na, or if gusto niyo na yung sound, just be creative. Paglaruan nyo lang tong app na to. Kasi madali lang siya. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-complicated. And pwede nyo rin siyang lagyan ng FX actually. So, just click this FX button and ayun, pwede nyo siyang example. If you don't wanna see me, did a full 180, baby. Oh, di ba ang taray? Okay, wag na natin galawin yan. Kasi hindi naman siya bagay sa song natin. Kaya, ganyan lang siya. So, if happy ka na sa results ng recording mo, you can save it by clicking this arrow here sa upper left, My Songs. And change nyo lang yung name para hindi mawala. Dua Lipa. Okay. So, once you're done with the song, if isi-save nyo na, just select the song, click this arrow sa lower left, click Song, Highest Quality, Share, Copy to Documents. So, if wala kayo yung app na Documents, install nyo na siya kasi super convenient nun, lalo na sa iPhone. Kasi, if ever man may gusto kayong i-download, dun mapupunta lahat. And, makikita nyo na dito yung song nyo. So, ito yon. If you don't wanna see me, did a full 180, crazy. Okay, so this is the fun part na kasi since pre-recorded yung vocals nyo, ang ginagawa ko kasi pag ganito, kasi mas convenient sa akin yung gantong method. Like, pre-recorded yung vocals. And then, if gusto nyo man na nakikita kayo sa cover nyo, yung as in my video, you can do that naman. Pero, ayun nga, pre-recorded yung vocals mo. So, you have to lip-sync this one. Since boses mo naman, okay lang naman na i-lip-sync mo. Kasi, parang yung pagkanta mo is ganun na ganun pa rin naman. Kaya hindi halata na lip-sync. There is another method din naman. However, mas matrabaho nga lang kasi yun. And yun yung i-record nyo yung audio mismo. Like, video siya. Tapos, i-convert nyo siya here using this app. I-convert nyo yung video na yon to MP3. Tapos, yung MP3 na yon i-import nyo siya sa Garageband. Tapos, yun yung i-edit nyo. And, basta matrabaho siya. So, ang suggestion ko is gawin nyo na lang yung ginawa ko. Like, pre-recorded yung audio and then tsaka nyo siya i-lip-sync. And yun na. Yun na yun. You're done. Madali lang siya. Tapos, edit nyo na lang kung saan nyo gustong i-edit.
Okay, so that is all for this vlog. I hope you learned something. And if you have any vlog suggestions or ideas, please comment down below and I will try to do it. Kasi nawawalan na talaga ako ng ideas kung ano yung pwede kong i-content. And yeah, that's all guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Drown myself inside the juice.